Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. And not a bad day across the interior. We had a few scattered clouds here and there. Temperatures very comfortable, and we're looking at the temperatures to continue to warm right into the weekend, near 70 degrees. Our photograph for tonight is an interesting one. You can see the Big Dipper here, captured very nicely by Diane Miles. Also a little bit of aurora off to the side there, but you have to look real sharp, but you can see that the Big Dipper looking pretty good. As always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Out the airport right now, here's what it looks like. Temperature of 66 degrees after a high of 67. The low last night 45. Record high 1965 up to 75. That cold year in 1992 dropped down to 18 degrees for the overnight low. Sunrise and sunset, about 13 and a half hours of daylight, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite and radar, and you can see the moisture really diminishing rapidly as high pressure does build in from the southwest, clearing all the moisture out and moving it into Canada. By all means, they are getting lots of moisture, and they're getting snow in Calgary, Montana, almost 14 inches of snow in Canada. It's just amazing how the temperature differences are going to be changing in our area too. As you can see here, we're looking at a little shower activity around Juneau, partly cloudy to cloudy skies at Ketchikan. Elsewhere across the state, cloudy skies right on down from Anchorage to Kodiak. Showers across the Aleutian chain, or Bethel, I should say, reporting some rain shower activity. Cloudy skies at Nome and Barrow at 36 degrees and cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather, storminess moving across the Great Lakes. We talked about it yesterday. And here comes the cold air, bringing with it snow all the way down into parts of the Dakotas and Montana, even as far south as Wyoming in the next couple of days. In fact, that cold air, as you can see here, is going to be making a pretty good impression. Bismarck, 29 degrees for the overnight low. Rapid City, 25 degrees. And even Minneapolis at 37 degrees for the overnight low as that cold air continues to move to the south. The overall picture for this weekend for the jet stream is wonderful for the western half of the country. Very warm conditions, clear skies. Down to the south, more humidity bringing thunderstorms in from the south, and chilly across much of the northern half of the country. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. In the northern sections, drizzle and flurries for Barrow. Rain becomes showers in Nome, and some isolated showers expected for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll look at clouds slowly decreasing throughout the afternoon tomorrow, becoming partly cloudy by evening for Healy, Delta Junction, and Fairbanks. While over southeast Alaska, a chance of a little rain for Juneau, but mostly cloudy skies expected at Ketchikan. And out to the southwest, mixed bag once again, showers mainly scattered all the way across from Bethel to Cold Bay to Kodiak, so kind of a wet forecast there. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, not too bad. Partly cloudy skies at Anchorage and Homer, but more clouds expected in Valdez. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. And all this week, we're talking with the kids from Arctic Light Elementary School. And here's a young lady with a question for me.
Hi, my name is Miranda. I'm in Mr. Pinker's 5th grade class at Arctic Light Elementary School. This is my question for the weatherman. How come it snows a lot in Alaska?
Well, Miranda, the obvious reason is because we're so far north, we don't get the nearly warm temperatures as you get further down toward the equator. So obviously, the further north you get, the more opportunity you have for snow, and we're in that lucky position. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, the teacher's going to be here with a unique weather fact to share with us. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 41 degrees, more clouds, and maybe some light showers after midnight. Tomorrow's forecast calling for those clouds to move out of the picture, becoming partly cloudy by afternoon. And not as warm as it was today, 65 degrees for the overnight low. The extended forecast, though, looking really good. Look at that, 71 degrees on Saturday, 70 for Sunday and Monday. And then mainly temperatures slowly starting to cool off by the middle part of next week as we do look at some cooler air coming in from the northwest. The overnight lows will also be nice to start off with, and then slowly start to cool off down to around 40 degrees by Monday and Tuesday. But I'm loving that 71 and 70 degrees for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.